Hey, what's up guys, it's Nick, back again with a quick iOS update tip that could totally save your day. Today we're talking about the upcoming iOS 19.
If you've been hearing all the buzz, like the redesigned UI or the new Apple Intelligence features, you're probably wondering how to get your hands on iOS 19 as soon as possible. But here's the thing, the official public release is still a while away.
So if you want an early sneak peek, you'll need to join the iOS 19 developer beta. Now just a heads up, the beta isn't always stable. It might be buggy, slow, or not as smooth as you'd expect. So think twice before jumping in.
And always back up your iPhone first, either to iCloud or do a full backup using iTunes or Finder. That way, if you decide to downgrade later, you won't lose your data.
So if you want an early sneak peek, you'll need to join the iOS 19 developer beta, and it's expected to debut at Apple's WWDC on June 9th. That's where we likely get our first official look at most of the new features.
Now, if you're not in the developer beta program, just head to developer.apple.com and you'll see what's new in the current iOS beta. Then find iOS 18 or maybe iOS 19 in the future. Then hit download in the upper right corner. You might need to sign in with your Apple ID.
Once you're in, your phone will get access to the beta profile.
You might not immediately see the iOS 19 beta page, but don't worry, your account will still have access once it's registered properly.
If you're updating on your iPhone, you can install it directly in Settings once you're enrolled. You can also provide feedback with the beta version in the Feedback app.
Also, make sure your iPhone has at least 10 gigabytes of free space, and keep it plugged in during the update. The last thing you want is your phone dying mid-install. Now, if you're running low on space or just want a smoother way to install the beta, you can use a tool like ReiBoot. It lets you download and install beta firmware directly. No developer account needed, no waiting, and way fewer errors than doing it manually. Because yeah, official tools like iTunes or Finder, they'll only show you the regular public updates. So whether you're updating directly on your iPhone or using your computer with something like ReiBoot, you now know how to get the iOS 19 beta. If this helped, drop a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.